Discover how 3D printing is revolutionizing footwear. 1. Customization. Brands like Zellerfeld offer personalized sneakers tailored to individual foot scans, enhancing comfort and fit. 2. Sustainability. Startups such as Helos produce shoes on demand, reducing waste and promoting eco-friendly practices. 3. Design innovation. Companies like Elastium create intricate designs unachievable with traditional methods, pushing the boundaries of footwear aesthetics. Step into the future of footwear at 3dshoes.com.